Sean, this is not your high school basketball days, okay?
You're right, this is 85 yacht! Oh! Big shot. Hey!
More Tesla in? What are we doing today, guys? We're gonna be installing Brixton RF10 wheels. We're already done a set of these on another S, but that was on a satin black one. Really love how this came out. These are gonna go on a white one. So, Stormtrooper style, let's get going.
Ugh. You know how like the Model 3 ones are okay once you take these off?
These are not okay.
Why do it look like that?
The new Tesla Model S does do over 400 miles, which is awesome. You think it's really because of just hubcap design?
If I could afford,
does it make that much of a difference?
The RF10 wheels look amazing on the satin black S, and they look just as good on this white one here. I think it's cool how it's like a 5-spoke open design, but it still looks kind of meshy in a way. It's definitely one of my favorite radial forged designs from any company out there, and it just really gives this white Model S a much sportier look, especially with those red calipers. We also lower the S, and surprisingly, the fitment looks really good still. Normally it'll sit in a lot more. Really happy with how that came out. Another project arrives, BMW M4. We're gonna be wrapping the entire car satin black. Another satin black M4 we're doing. Pretty cool.
Yeah, I remember mine.
Tyler, remember when you sold it? This car is going to its new owner. How do you feel, man?
Pretty sad, bro.
I'm sure you're okay with the fact that you're getting rid of it.
Yeah, I don't know.
I'm not done with my interview.
Wrap dojo for a piece this big?
Wrap dojo for a piece this big? So you remember what I taught you about the hump, right, on the hood and how to wrap that?
No, I don't.
This is the test for you to graduate Wrap Dojo. Just kidding, you're only in year 1. There's 4 more years of Wrap Dojo.
And I haven't even earned my first belt.
Time is running out! I like that little stick you have to hold up the trunk. That's pretty dope.
Rap lesson number 55. You only as good as your yellow toes.
What's HDR?
Oh yeah, blast that.
So Sean, I know you don't have shoes here sometimes. Unfortunately, he has no shoes today.
Right.
I feel bad because I don't want you to look like a hobo. I got you something. Have you looked in your drawer today?
I have not looked in my choice today.
Why don't you look in your drawer today? Now you have shoes whenever you need them, bro. Right there. See? You get your own pair now. Chicago Jordan 1s. Do you like them?
They're very nice, dude.
So, are you gonna wear them right now? You're gonna hurt my
I
feelings.
don't want to get them dirty, bro.
You don't like them, do you?
I like them, bro. Dude, they're so...
No, it's okay. It's okay.
You're not really fine, but you just can't get into it.
Right there.
Another BMW M4 in the books, satin black. This time though, it's a convertible, which is pretty cool. Since the past 2 we've done were coupes.
Yeah, I remember mine.
Satin black has been really popular with the M4s, and I don't blame them. This is our 3rd one we've done. Car was originally gloss black, so it's not too far off from the original color. However, the satin does make it a lot sportier, so it does change up the entire look of the car. We took off bumpers, we took off badges, emblems, taillights even, anything that we could to just wrap around as many of the edges as possible to give it a seamless look as if it came from factory. For the roof, we did something a little bit different. Instead of wrapping it satin black, we wrapped it matte carbon fiber. Nice little accent piece. Ties back into the fact that the M4s come with a carbon fiber roof. Hopefully you guys can see the amount of detail, the amount of time, the amount of effort we've put into this wrap job. Really proud of the end result. Client is gonna love this one. Sean, I noticed that you haven't worn my shoes I got you.
Because they're not wearable, bro. Look.
I mean, like, it's really hurting my feelings.
How do I... They're laced together.
Just,
What do I do?
I don't know. Has Raul ever bought you shoes?
No. Nobody has prints enough for me.
I'm sure he's printing out some other things for you. Another Tesla Model 3's in, so we're doing something a little different today. Auto trunk. It's a smarter vehicle.
Wow, LED just here.
So in case you didn't know, Model 3's do not have a power trunk. You gotta do it, you know, with your hand, of course. What? What's wrong? The instructions look really nice.
That's good. Oh, it's 2 kits.
Maybe you do the front and the trunk.
I don't know where to begin. And I'm scared.
There's soft close on this thing? Oh, sick. Damn, maybe I want one for mine.
See how this install works.
Can't clutch it.
Nice.
Play on clutch or how it ever
I did it. Who do you think you are? I am. So you know how earlier I was telling you how like they had their harness and it just like connected and reconnected and whatnot. So this was plugged in to the motor, the one that pulls the thing back and forth. So on this kit, I take it, plug it into here, and then I take the one from the new harness and I plug it back in eventually.
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 Eventually. Eventually.
Mamma mia. Into there. Boom.
Just got done with the frunk and the trunk power lift gate system. So let me show you how it works. This is really cool, guys. So we'll start with the front. You can open it by pressing the button still, just like on your screen. So when Tyler presses the button, it opens up. Isn't that cool? You guys can see the struts right there. It's all nice and beefy. Once you press this, the frunk will close by itself. So when I press it right here, you see it going down. And look at that. Soft close, guys. And here's a cool part too though. You can actually close it from the inside too by pressing the same buttons. So this is really cool in case you gotta, you know, open it up for someone getting out of the car and you don't get out of the car because it's raining or something. You can open and close it just like that. Now let's look at the back. Same thing like the front. You can open it normally if you want to by using this. We install the button right there. That way you can just press that to close it and it'll close. And you can again close it from the inside as you see here. And same thing, just like the front, there is soft closing as well. Definitely recommend this. I think it's a really neat feature. I think it should have come like that from Tesla, but either way, because there isn't that option, having this as a secondary option is really, really nice. All right, guys, that's it for the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. We want to work in your car, so hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. I will see you next time. Dustin, I'm signing off. You want to say anything to the viewers?
Yes, HAYWOOD'S gamer tag is it's Haywood. Haywood.
Do you like me? That is turned to a yellow snow cone. Hurrah! 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 What the f?
You ready?
Yeah.
Exam?